So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to block a seller on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer. As you can see guys, I have selected Google Chrome, but you can choose anyone. And after that you guys will have to search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on the website, you guys will have to select the seller you want to block. Let's say I want to block the seller of this item, then I'll choose this item and then scroll down a little bit. And after that, I can click on this button right here, which is the name of this owner. And then after that, I have to click on the seller's name. And as you can see guys, after coming on this page, you can see this option right here called block this person. And now you just have to click on this and then click on block Rameshwari call, which is the name of the seller. So now as you can see, I have blocked this seller on my Etsy account. So guys, that's it for the video. And if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel.